In the world of material handling automation, success is often defined by three key elements: the ability to create engineered solutions that improve productivity, safety, and performance, the understanding that these solutions must provide a quick and positive return on investment, the passion, responsiveness, and hustle to outperform the competition. These qualities are what drew one of the leading global suppliers of crop science and agricultural chemicals to MMCI. By out-hustling, out-designing, and out-engineering our competition, we completely automated the end-of-line packaging process for our client's largest facility in North America. We acted as the sole supplier and provided a turnkey solution that significantly lowered the complexity and overall costs of the project. We started by studying the client's existing production lines, its packaging processes, line speeds, facility layout, and package sizes. From this analysis, we concluded that we could replace 2 manually operated palletizing lines with 1 fully automated line that would increase productivity while freeing up floor space and labor for other activity. To make this work, we started by re-engineering and automating the upstream processes. We integrated accumulation conveyors to feed sealed cases directly from the bottling lines into the palletizing cell, added motorized drive roller conveyors to rotate the cases and optimize their orientation for picking, and then installed pick conveyors with integrated stoppers to stage the cases for palletizing. With the upstream process automated, we then integrated a FANUC M410IB 140H 5-axis robot, a robotic arm specially designed for complex palletizing applications. We outfitted it with customized end-of-arm tooling featuring both clamps and a supporting underside flap to eliminate any chance of cases being dropped. We then integrated 2 MMCI FD1500 automated pallet dispensers to run the 2 lines that feature different sized pallets and cases. These flexible machines can support 15 pallets of varying sizes and styles and are equipped with Category 3 safety-rated area scanners that allow pallets to be loaded and unloaded without disrupting the rest of the cell. They also feature a stopper and 2 centering plates that move the pallets into position so the robot can place the boxes onto each pallet in 2 very distinctive and precise arrangements. We then integrated a shuttle conveyor with retroflective photo eye sensors to feed 1 outgoing conveyor, a design that saved floor space and maximized efficiency. Finally, convenient request entry buttons and Category 3 safety-rated trap keys were placed at every entryway to allow operators to safely pause the system before entering the cell, eliminating the need for each operator to have their own lockout-tagout device. To ensure seamless integration into our client's facility, the entire system was then tested at the MMCI Robotics and Automation Technology Center in St. Louis, Missouri. Using the exact cases and products run at the client's facility, we performed a factory acceptance test and trained their team on how the system works prior to shipment and installation. By being a single-source provider and demonstrating value that no other integrator could match, MMCI established itself as the go-to supplier for this client's future automation needs as well. MMCI Robotics. Quality, value, hustle, and passion. That's what defines us.